Hello beautiful soul, welcome to Infinite Manifestations. In this video, we will explore the topic of love from a spiritual perspective. We will delve into what divine love is, its benefits, and techniques for cultivating it in our daily lives. This video is designed to inspire and empower you on your journey towards emotional and spiritual fulfillment through the practice of divine love. Join us as we embark on this transformative journey together. Divine love is a higher form of love that transcends the physical and emotional realms. It is characterized by unconditional acceptance, compassion, and a deep sense of connection with all beings. Divine love is not limited by personal biases or circumstances and is often associated with a sense of divine presence or oneness with the universe. It is a love that is both limitless and timeless and can bring a profound sense of peace and fulfillment to those who experience it. Simply put, divine love is love in its purest and most divine form. Divine love differs from other forms of love in several key ways. 1. Unconditional. Divine love is unconditional, meaning it is not dependent on the actions or circumstances of others. It is a love that is freely given without expectation of return. 2. Compassionate. Divine love is characterized by compassion, empathy, and understanding. It is a love that seeks to heal and uplift rather than judge or harm. 3. All-encompassing. Divine love transcends the boundaries of personal relationships and encompasses all beings, regardless of differences in race, religion, or culture. 4. Spiritual. Divine love is often associated with a spiritual connection, a sense of oneness with the universe, and a deep sense of inner peace. 5. Non-discriminating. Divine love does not discriminate based on personal biases or circumstances. It is a love that is available to all, regardless of background or situation. 6. Timeless. Divine love is timeless and not limited by physical or emotional boundaries. 7. Transformative. Divine love has the power to transform the lives of those who experience it, bringing peace, fulfillment, and a deeper sense of purpose. In comparison, other forms of love such as romantic love, familial love, and platonic love can be limited by personal biases, circumstances, and expectations. They may also be conditional, meaning they depend on the actions or circumstances of others. While these forms of love are important and valuable in their own right, divine love offers a deeper level of connection and fulfillment. By embracing and practicing divine love, individuals can experience a deeper sense of connection with themselves, others, and the world around them. If you already got inspired or gained some value, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'm here to inspire you, give you some guidance if needed, and teach you about spiritual growth and self-improvement. The practice of divine love can bring numerous benefits to our mental and emotional well-being, our spirituality, and our relationships with others. Mental and emotional well-being. Practicing divine love has a powerful impact on our mental and emotional well-being. Imagine being able to let go of all the negativity, stress, and anxiety that weigh you down and replacing it with a sense of peace and calm. This is the transformative power of divine love. When we embrace and practice divine love, we release toxic emotions and thoughts and cultivate a positive outlook on life. This can result in increased feelings of joy, gratitude, and contentment, and can have a profound impact on our overall mental and emotional health. Spiritual connection. Divine love has a spiritual component that can help us connect with our spirituality and experience a deeper sense of oneness with the universe. This connection can bring a sense of meaning and purpose to our lives and can provide us with a sense of peace and comfort in even the most difficult of times. Have you ever felt a deep sense of calm and peace in nature or during meditation? This is the feeling of divine love, and with practice, we can tap into it more and more in our daily lives. Improved relationships. Divine love has the power to transform our relationships with others. It can increase feelings of love, understanding, and compassion, and can help to heal any conflicts or misunderstandings that may have arisen. Have you ever had a relationship that was strained, only to be healed by the power of love and understanding? This is the transformative power of divine love. By practicing divine love in our relationships, we can strengthen the bonds between individuals and bring a sense of unity and connection to our interactions with others. In conclusion, the practice of divine love has numerous benefits for our mental and emotional well-being, spirituality, and relationships with others. Whether it be through personal reflection or actively practicing love and compassion towards others, divine love is a valuable tool for personal growth and happiness. The impact of divine love on our lives can be profound and transformative, and it is a journey well worth taking. Practicing divine love can be a challenge for many individuals, but with a little perseverance, it can bring profound transformation to our lives. Some of the most common challenges people face when trying to practice divine love include self-doubt, fear, and old patterns of behavior that are hard to break. Self-doubt can be a major roadblock when it comes to practicing divine love. We may feel that we are not worthy of love or that we do not have what it takes to love ourselves and others in a divine way. It is important to remember that divine love is not something that we have to earn or prove, but rather a state of being that is already within us. Fear can also be a challenge when it comes to practicing divine love. We may be afraid of opening our hearts to love, especially if we have been hurt in the past. This fear can cause us to close ourselves off from others and prevent us from experiencing the transformative power of divine love. Old patterns of behavior can be hard to break, and when it comes to practicing divine love, this can be especially true. We may have learned from a young age to love in certain ways, and it can be difficult to change these patterns. This can lead to difficulties in our relationships, as well as a lack of progress in our spiritual development. However, with a little perseverance and practice, we can overcome these challenges and experience the transformative power of divine love in our lives. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Practice self-love. Start by loving yourself, and be patient and kind with yourself as you grow and change. Remember that self-love is the foundation of all love, and that you are deserving of love and happiness. 2. Let go of fear. Fear is a natural part of the human experience, but it can prevent us from experiencing the fullness of love. Try to let go of your fears and open yourself up to love, both for yourself and for others. 3. Focus on the present moment. By focusing on the present moment, you can release old patterns of behavior and cultivate new, healthier ways of loving. By overcoming these challenges, you can tap into the transformative power of divine love and experience greater peace, happiness, and fulfillment in your life. The practice of divine love can bring profound transformation to our lives, and it is a journey well worth taking. Perseverance and self-compassion are key elements when it comes to practicing divine love. Divine love is not something that can be achieved overnight. It requires time, effort, and a lot of patience. When we practice divine love, we may face setbacks, but it is important to have the perseverance to keep going, even when things get difficult. Self-compassion is also an important part of the journey towards divine love. It is important to be kind and understanding with ourselves as we work to cultivate love in our lives. This means embracing our imperfections and recognizing that we are all human and that growth takes time. By practicing self-compassion, we can create a space for love to flourish in our lives and overcome any obstacles that may arise. Perseverance and self-compassion are the foundation for a successful journey towards divine love. By embracing these qualities, we can cultivate love in our lives, build deeper connections with others, and experience greater happiness and fulfillment. Whether we are just starting out on this journey or have been practicing divine love for a while, it is never too late to recommit ourselves to the practice and experience the transformative power of love in our lives. Cultivating divine love requires time and effort, but there are many techniques that can help us along the way. Here are a few methods for tapping into the power of divine love. Meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating divine love. By quieting the mind and focusing on the present moment, we can tap into the deep well of love within us and connect with our higher self. Practicing gratitude is a great way to cultivate divine love. By focusing on the things we are thankful for, we can shift our perspective and cultivate a more loving outlook on life. Serving others is a powerful way to cultivate divine love. By helping others, we open ourselves up to the love that flows through us and experience the joy of giving. Affirmations can help us cultivate divine love by reinforcing positive beliefs and attitudes. Repeat affirmations that speak to your heart and help you connect with love. You'll find at least one affirmation per day on the community tab of this channel. Claim it, live it, breathe it. Loving kindness. Loving kindness is a powerful practice for cultivating divine love. This involves sending love and positive energy to others, even those we may not have a strong connection with. These are just a few techniques for cultivating divine love, but there are many more methods that can help us tap into this transformative power. The most important thing is to find what works best for you and to be persistent in your practice. By doing so, you will experience the transformative power of divine love in your life and build deeper connections with others. If you like, share your last act of kindness in the comments below. It will be super empowering and inspiring for everyone who's reading it. The techniques for cultivating divine love can help us connect with our inner selves and the divine in several ways. By quieting the mind and focusing on the present moment through meditation, we can tap into the deep well of love within us and connect with our higher self. Gratitude helps us shift our perspective and cultivate a more loving outlook on life, while serving others opens us up to the love that flows through us and helps us experience the joy of giving. Affirmations reinforce positive beliefs and attitudes, and loving kindness sends love and positive energy to others, helping us build deeper connections with others. Incorporating these techniques into daily life is essential to experiencing the transformative power of divine love. Here are a few practical tips to help you get started. Start small. Incorporating new practices into your daily life can be challenging, so start small. Try meditating for just 5 minutes a day or writing down 3 things you are grateful for each day. Make it a habit. To see the benefits of these techniques, it is important to make them a daily habit. Set aside a specific time each day to practice and stick to it. Get creative. There are many different ways to incorporate these techniques into your daily life. Get creative and find what works best for you. Be patient. Cultivating divine love takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress and don't be discouraged if you experience setbacks. By incorporating these techniques into your daily life and being persistent in your practice, you will tap into the transformative power of divine love and build deeper connections with yourself, others, and the divine. To summarize the key points of the video, divine love is a transformative and spiritual form of love that goes beyond human affection and connections. It is characterized by qualities such as compassion, generosity, and selflessness. Practicing divine love has many benefits, including improved mental and emotional well-being, deeper connections with others, and a greater sense of spirituality. There are several techniques for cultivating divine love, including meditation, gratitude, service, affirmations, and loving kindness. These practices help us tap into the deep well of love within us and connect with our higher self and the divine. I encourage you to continue exploring the topic of divine love and to be persistent in the practice. Divine love has the power to transform our lives and deepen our connections with ourselves, others, and the divine. I hope you have found this video helpful in exploring the topic of divine love. Please leave your comments and feedback below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos on spirituality and personal growth. Divine love is the ultimate force that unites us all, transcending time and space to bring us closer to our highest selves and to one another. It has the power to heal wounds, bridge divides, and ignite a fire of compassion and kindness within us. Embrace divine love and let it guide you on your journey, for it holds the keys to unlocking your greatest potential and living a life of love, peace, and fulfillment. I encourage you to share this video with others who may benefit from its message. Divine love has the power to touch and transform many lives, and sharing this knowledge with others is a wonderful way to spread love and positivity in the world. It helps us to grow this channel, and it's a beautiful act of kindness. May divine love continue to guide and bless you on your journey. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.